Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. In this video, we will delve into diagnosing and repairing the Lenovo V14, particularly focusing on issues related to the integrated processor. First, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools are essential for safely opening the laptop and preventing any static damage to the components. Begin by powering off the laptop and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, remove the back panel by unscrewing the screws located at the base of the device. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently use the spudger to pry open the back panel, taking care not to damage any clips. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Inspect the integrated processor for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt areas or discoloration. If you notice any issues, it may indicate that the processor is indeed faulty. At this point, it's crucial to clean the area around the processor using compressed air to remove any dust or debris that may be causing overheating. If you find that the processor is damaged, replacing it can be quite complex. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you receive expert advice tailored to your situation. Additionally, we provide collection and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free. Once you've assessed the processor, check the surrounding components, such as the RAM and motherboard connections. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there are no loose cables. If you suspect that the motherboard is also affected, it may require further inspection or replacement. After completing your inspection, it's time to reassemble the laptop. Carefully place the back panel back onto the device, ensuring that all clips are aligned properly. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely, but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. Before powering on the laptop, it's advisable to double-check all connections and ensure that everything is in its rightful place. If you're unsure about any step, remember that we offer a quote before repair, allowing you to understand the costs involved without any surprises. Finally, power on the Lenovo V14 and monitor its performance. If the laptop still exhibits issues, it may be time to consult a professional. Our service includes no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you to get the help you need without leaving your home. Thank you for watching, and we hope this guide has been helpful in diagnosing and repairing your Lenovo V14. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.